Alright, so as promised, I have the unboxed and ready to test on a bench. Stock out of the box. I'm going to show you some of the stuff it comes with and some of the things that I learned when I started hooking this up. So, first thing I'm going to do, show you what I did here with the cabling. If you want to test this at home and see if you need to send this back to the manufacturer, just test the functionality of it. You're going to hook it up to a power source, 12 volt, and the firewire cable to the Android box. One thing I did see on here when I was doing my unboxing was that there was a DC power plug port, and I was afraid that that was going to trip me up in this process, but that's actually for external power source, so you can piggyback off of this. Your power for the box is going to come from the firewire. So, given that, um, the first power up I determined was about 32 seconds. So this is only going to be an initial power up if you ever take out your battery or your first time putting it into the vehicle. I will show you a power off using the ignition switch, and it's significantly less time, I believe 2 seconds. So now everything's powered up. I've already got this connected to a Wi-Fi. So you have a pull down menu here, and then you also have the menu bar at the bottom, which is pretty redundant to this. I did like the volume key. I thought it was going to be a tap volume, but it allows you to scroll or tap, and then you can also use the screen and then mute there. So that was nice. There's some Chinese symboling still throughout the entire system, so I'm going to root this, and I'm going to go with something that's already been tested and proven. So comes rooted and it comes unlocked out of the box, so it gives you developer options. These are your stock apps that are going to come with this. You have a web browser, does allow for pinch zoom. Then you have a radio, allows you for AM, FM. Again, you have a Chinese symbol. I wouldn't say that there's enough symboling in here that's going to get you stuck someplace where you're not sure where you're at in the system. So has a backup camera application. Then it also has a camera application that you can use to take pictures with the system, utilizing your camera as either a backup or forward facing. Bluetooth, the Maps application. This does work, lets you search. So routing, everything works on it. So it did come with a video on here, so I can show you how good the quality is on that. So that's that. There's a million bench tests out there. I'll go ahead and do one so you can see. Mine's a 2 GB with quad core processor. This here is an equalizer that comes with it so that you can move your speaker balancing. I've read that it's not that great, and so again, that's another reason why I'm going to be upgrading my system. So this is the last thing I'll do in the video, so if you don't care about the benchmark, then let's go ahead and skip on to the next video. Okay, so thanks for watching. My next video is going to be Android rooting, and possibly just a run through of my rooted version, or sorry, my new ROM on this. It's already rooted, so it's just going to be a new ROM with all of its functions and features. So stay tuned.